Okay, so there's been some confusion about the new mandatory reporting website. Now, hopefully, if you go onto the website here and try and log on, you'll actually know your username and password from the previous time you've completed it. Obviously, you can click on forget password if you've not done that, but if you're creating a new account for the first time, then all you just do is click on create an account down here. Read this information at the top, all down here. Important thing here, if you don't have your VIT registration number, then you can just use NA instead, or you don't have a DET number, you can just use NA. So we'll go through here and just fill in this information. So I'm going to put Robert Evans, email address is robevans@gmail.com. Create a password, ID number N/A. School or early years setting name, now because it's so broad, again you can just choose NA. You don't need to worry about a school or early settings postcode. In sector, just select government schools, and once you've got into government schools, you can click government schools NA. If you click submit, then your user account has been registered successfully. Please check your email for instructions to activate your account. So if I go to my email here, welcome to the Department of Education. Please click on the link below to confirm your registration. So I click on that. And this now takes me into the administration area. So I click on continue to the system. And now here, please enter your manager's name below and select it from the list. Then click submit to continue. Now, because you're not employed by a school, you should just be able to search for your own name. And here you can see Robert Evans, anzuk@gmail.com, and click that and submit. This will then take you into the different learning management systems and which mandatory reporting certificates you need to complete. So for example, I want to complete the government schools, this one here, and it shows the different ones I can complete. So I'm enrolled in this one here. If I click enrolled, I can then go down to the bottom here and complete the certificate here. Once you've completed the certificate here, it asks you to close down the window. So I'm hoping now if I go to home, click on learning, it says I've completed it. You receive an email here saying that you've completed it. You can click on the link, and this is your certificate. You can download and then send it to your consultant, who will add it to your profile.